Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to star a photo in Google Drive, making it easier for you to access your favorite images quickly. Starring files is a great way to keep your important photos organized and readily available. First, let's start by opening the Google Drive app on your device. Whether you're using a smartphone or tablet, the process is quite similar. Once you have the app open, you'll be greeted with your list of files and folders. Next, find the photo you want to star. Scroll through your files or use the search function at the top of the screen to locate the specific image. This could be a cherished family photo, an important document, or any image you frequently use. Once you've found the photo, look for the three dots next to it. This icon represents additional options for that file. Tap on these three dots to open a menu with various actions you can take regarding that photo. Now, here comes the crucial step. Click on Add to Starred. This action will mark your selected photo as starred, allowing it to be easily accessible later on. You might notice a small star icon appear next to the file name, indicating that it has been successfully starred. To check if your photo has been added to your starred items, simply navigate back to the main menu of Google Drive. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a section labeled Starred. Click on this to view all the files and photos you've starred. It's a handy way to keep track of important visuals without having to sift through all your files. If at any point you decide that you no longer need a photo in your starred section, removing it is just as easy. Go back to the photo, tap on the three dots again, and select Remove from Starred. This will unstar the file while keeping it in its original location. And that's it. You've now learned how to star a photo in Google Drive. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your organization and ensure that your favorite images are always just a click away. Thanks for watching.